Good morning, friends. Welcome back to calendar time on this Wednesday. We're going to do our number sentence a little bit differently today. Today, we're going to sort friends who have a capital or lowercase letter A in their name. And then we're going to put the friends who do not have any A's in their name over here on this side of our T chart. Remember, it's a T chart because these two lines look like a lowercase letter T. All right, let's look around and see who has the letter A and who does not have the letter A. I see Charlie has an A, Adeline has a letter A, Lily Mae has a lowercase. Oh, Chloe doesn't have any letter A's. Let's see, Lamar has two. Jeremy doesn't have any letter A's. Let's see, Emily doesn't have any letter A's. Paisley has a lowercase. Aisha has upper and lowercase. Camila has two lowercase. Brian has an A. Emiliano has uppercase and lowercase. Kalia has two lowercase. Oh, Diego doesn't have any A's. Let's move him over here. Harmony's got an A. Richard has an A. Mylea. Kaylina has two. Bretta J has two. And Jemias has an A. All right, let's make our number sentence. We're ready now. So, how many friends do we have that have zero A's in their name? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I'm going to write number 4 on our top to bottom number sentence. Make a 4 in the air with me. Students without letter A's. All right, let's find out how many friends do have A's in their first name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. When I say the number 16, I hear that it's a teen number, and teen numbers start with 1. That's right. Let's listen. 16. I hear the number 6 in there as well. So that's a clue that there is a 6 when I'm writing the number. So let's read our number sentence. 16 plus 4 equals 20 students altogether. Awesome. Let's take a look at our calendar today. Let's see. Today is Wednesday, April the 22nd. Wednesday, April the 22nd. And guess what? We have a birthday this week. Happy birthday, Jeremy, on Friday. Today is a day that starts like the letter W. W. You got it. It's Wednesday. Tomorrow starts like the digraph TH. Remember, a digraph is when you put two letters together that make a new sound. And this sound is Yes, tomorrow will be Thursday. Awesome. And yesterday was a day that starts like the letter T. T. Tuesday. That's right. Very good, friends. I'm looking at the calendar, and last week we had a holiday. That holiday was Easter. I hope you had fun on Easter and were able to do something special, like go on an Easter egg hunt in your yard, or maybe open an Easter basket. All right, let's keep on going, friends. I'm going to point and you say your shapes with me. Oval, square, rectangle, circle, triangle, diamond. Good job. Turn and talk and tell someone in your house what you know about a rectangle. How many sides does a rectangle have? How many pointy corners? What kind of lines does a rectangle have? I hope you told someone in your house that a rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 pointy corners, or maybe you told them that it has straight lines. Awesome. All right, we're going to still keep looking at our favorite color graph that we made while we were still going to school. Can you tell me what color did 0 of our friends choose as their favorite color? 0. Remember, 0 is a number that means none. So 0 friends chose the color green as their favorite color. 0 friends chose green. Can you tell me which color the most friends chose as their favorite color? Look at our graph and tell me which color did the most people choose? A clue is which row is the tallest. Which column is the tallest? I see that blue is the tallest. Without counting, do you know a way to tell me how many people chose blue without counting the rectangles? You got it. That's what these numbers are for on the side. So I'm going to go all the way up to the top of the blue column, and then I'm going to go over to see what number is beside it. And I see the number 10. So that tells me that 10 friends chose blue as their favorite color. Let's double check and make sure we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. Awesome. All right, we're going to keep going, and I've got our morning message. So let's point at the letters. I'm so sorry. We're going to point at the words and read them together. Good morning, class. Today is Wednesday. Tell me something you know about butterflies. I have a surprise for you. Oh my goodness, I have a really special surprise coming up for you. I think you're going to be super excited. Tell someone in your house something that you know about butterflies. Maybe you know a little bit about butterflies. Maybe you know a lot about butterflies. But butterflies are something we're going to be studying here pretty soon. And I think that you are going to enjoy it. Let's circle a sentence. We're going to circle the sentence that says, I have a surprise for you. Let's count those words. Every time I say a word, put one of your fingers up. I have a surprise for you. I put 6 fingers up because I said 6 words. Let's count the words in that sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a surprise for you. There's 6 words in that sentence. I also notice that the sentence is not all on the same line. It's not all on the same line. I know that when I read, I go across, 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 and across from left to right. When I get to the end of one line, I go down to the beginning of the next line and go across to the beginning of the next line and across. So I'm reading the sentence that says, I have a. When I get to the end, can you point and tell me where I should go next when I get to the end of this row? And I know that my sentence is not over because I don't see a mark at the end. I don't see a period, exclamation mark, or question mark. So I'm going across. I get to the end. That's right. I'm going to go down to the bottom, to the next row, to the beginning of the next row, and I'm going to circle the rest of my sentence. Let's count the words in the sentence one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 words in my sentence. I hope you're getting excited for the surprise I have for you. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm waiting for it in the mail. All right, one more thing for us today. We are going to make a pattern. So let me get my pointer, and we're going to make a pattern with some shapes. I think today we are going to make an ABC pattern. An ABC pattern. How many shapes will I use to make an ABC pattern? Let's count. A, 1, B, 2, C, 3. I'm going to use 3 shapes. Let's see, which shapes do we want today? I think I'm going to use rectangles. Triangles and circles. Rectangle, triangle, circle is how I want to start my pattern. Rectangle, triangle, circle. What will come next if I'm making an A, B, C pattern? I'll need to add another A shape, which is rectangle. So rectangle, triangle, circle. Rectangle, you got it. Triangle will come next. And then what comes after the triangle? You're right, a circle. Let's see. Rectangle, triangle, circle. Rectangle, triangle, circle. What comes next? That's right, another rectangle. And then if I forget what my pattern is supposed to look like, I can always go back and check and see that after rectangles come triangles. That's right. And then what comes next? After triangles come circles. The most important thing that we always want to remember about a pattern is that it never changes. So if you forget what you're supposed to be adding next, you can always go back and check the previous sections of the pattern. Awesome. Good pattern today, friends. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon.